In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a developer to your GoDaddy account with delegate access step by step. This is the easiest way to give someone the access they need without handing over your full login details. It's perfect if you're working with a web developer, a designer, or anyone helping you manage your domain or website settings. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to GoDaddy and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of the screen and click your profile icon. This will open a menu with different account options. From there, click Account Settings. This is where GoDaddy keeps your profile and access controls, including delegate access. On the Account Settings page, find and open Delegate Access. This section is specifically designed for giving another person limited access to your account. It's a secure way to collaborate because you can choose exactly what they can see and do. Next, click Invite to Access. GoDaddy will now ask you to enter the details of the person you want to invite. Type in the developer's name and email address carefully. Make sure the email is correct because the invite will be sent directly there. After that, choose the access level you want to give them. This part is important because you may want the developer to have enough permissions to do their work, but not full control over everything in your account. Review the access options available and select the one that best fits your needs. Once everything looks good, click Invite. GoDaddy will send the invitation to the developer's email address, and they'll need to accept it before the access becomes active. Now let's cover the other side of the process, because the developer also has a step to complete. The developer should open the email invite from GoDaddy, and click Accept Invitation. After that, they'll be prompted to sign in to GoDaddy. Once they sign in, the delegate access will be connected, and they'll be able to work within the permissions you assigned. That's it. You've now successfully added a developer to your GoDaddy account with delegate access. This is a safe and efficient way to collaborate while keeping control of your account. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.